Good day, kids. Here we are again with another episode of our Entrepreneurship 6 Learnings. Today, we will discuss about cooking cheesy puto. I am your teacher, James Christian Urbeo, and I hope you would listen attentively with the discussion I have prepared for you. So sit back, relax and enjoy learning. Here are the ingredients in cooking or steaming cheesy puto pudding. Procedures 1. Grease mold with melted butter or cooking oil. 2. Combine and mix all dry ingredients in one bowl. 3. Second bowl, combine egg, evaporated milk, melted butter, vanilla, and water. 4. Pour wet ingredients over dry ingredients. Mix until free of lumps. 5. Arrange puto molds with cheese slice on top in the steamer. 6. Cover and steam for 10 to 20 minutes over low heat. Tools and utensils in cooking cheesy puto pudding. A cook should be familiar with the correct tools and utensils in the kitchen. The job of cooking requires specific kitchen tools and utensils for proper and efficient preparation of food. Enhance the cooking process and make serving food better. It is very easy for a food processor to manipulate particular device if he knows the respective functions. 1. Steamer or steam cooker is a small kitchen appliance used to cook or prepare various foods with steam heat by means of holding the food in a closed vessel, reducing steam escape. Two. Molder or mold is a container used in various techniques of food preparation to shape the finished. Three. Measuring cups and spoons are kitchen utensil used primarily to measure the volume of liquid or bulk solid cooking ingredients such as flour and sugar, especially for volumes from about 50 milliliters to FLAs upwards. Four. Mixing bowls are used for storage, working doughs, mixing dry ingredients, mixing salads, organizing, and more. Five. Whisk is a cooking utensil which can be used to blend ingredients smooth, or to incorporate firm foam to make meringue, or to whip cream into whipped cream. Activity time. Direction. Arrange the jumbled letters to form the correct answer in each item. 1. Tuperned is never wasteful and always ensures that all resources are used wisely and every bit of raw material does not go to waste. 2. Sasib's merchandise activity engage in as means of livelihood. 3. Roptucked is something that is manufactured, follow process, or grown and nurtured in order to be sold for a profit. 4. Pu cram is the added into the total cost of the product. 5. Un entrep, person who organizes and operates a business. Remember, engaging in entrepreneurship helps the learner to think outside the box, develop talents, skills, and confidence. There will always be demand for products that will satisfy a person's basic needs such as food, clothing, and shelter. To ensure profitability, one should keep costs down but will maintain quality. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, James Urbeo, for more educational videos. Till the next upload, thank you.